Science for Primary 5, Second Term, Unit 2, Lesson 1. Circulatory System. Circulatory system has very important role in continuity of life of human body. In this lesson, we will study some subjects related to the circulatory system, such as circulatory system, the heart, the blood vessels, the blood circulation, how to keep the circulatory system healthy. Circulatory system. Your circulatory system consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. The circulatory system transports the digested food, oxygen, and water to all your body cells. It also transports waste materials inside your body cells to special organs to get rid of them. It helps in maintaining your body healthy. The heart. Heart is a muscular hollow organ, and hollow means empty organ or has a cavity. Its size is about your fist size, located inside the chest cavity between the two lungs and slightly inclined to the left. It pumps the blood continuously to all the body parts. It consists of 4 chambers. Chambers means rooms, and it is divided into 2 sides, left and right, by a separating wall to prevent blood in the 2 sides from mixing. The 2 upper chambers are called right atrium and left atrium. The 2 lower chambers are called right ventricle and left ventricle. There is a valve between each upper atrium and lower ventricle, allows blood to pass in the one direction from atrium to ventricle to prevent it from returning back. Note, the 4 chambers of the heart are always full of blood and connected to blood vessels. Blood vessels. Blood flows inside the human body through a network of blood vessels which can be classified into 3 types, which are arteries, veins, blood capillaries. Arteries. They are blood vessels carry blood from heart, ventricles to all parts of the body, as pulmonary artery, aorta. Arteries are large and wide at the beginning, then become smaller at the end, forming blood capillaries. All arteries carry oxygen-rich blood or oxygenated blood, except the pulmonary artery, which carries carbon dioxide rich blood or deoxygenated blood. Veins. They are thin blood vessels that carry blood from the body cells to the heart, to the 2 atria, such as superior and inferior vena cava, 2 pulmonary veins. Veins begin in the form of capillaries, then become larger until reaching the heart. All veins carry blood rich in carbon dioxide or deoxygenated blood, except the pulmonary veins, which carry oxygen-rich blood or oxygenated blood. Blood capillaries. They are a network of tiny blood vessels with very thin walls located around the body cells. They connect the ends of arteries and the beginnings of veins. They have thin walls to deliver food and oxygen to the body cells and carry carbon dioxide and waste products out of the body cells. Give reason. Blood capillaries have very thin walls to deliver food and oxygen to the body cells and carries carbon dioxide and waste out of the cells. Number 3, blood. And it consists of red blood cells, white blood cells, blood platelets, and plasma. Number 1, the red blood cells. Red blood cells without nuclei. Number 1, they carry oxygen from lungs to all the body cells. Number 2, they carry carbon dioxide from all body cells to the lungs. Number 2, white blood cells. They are white blood cells with different forms of nuclei. They defend the body against microbes, or they attack microbes that enter the body. Number 3, blood platelets. They are small-sized cell fragments. They are forming blood clot and help in coagulation of blood, so they healing wounds to prevent bleeding. Number 4, plasma. It's a yellow watery fluid in which all blood components, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets are suspended. Number 4, plasma. It's a yellow watery fluid in which all blood components, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets are suspended. It carries the needed food substances to body cells. It also carries harmful waste materials out of the cells. Blood circulation. It is the path of blood throughout the body. Number 1, the right atrium receives blood from all body parts by superior and inferior vena cava. Then blood flows into the right ventricle through the valve. Number 2, the right ventricle contracts and pumps the blood into the two lungs through pulmonary artery. Number 3, inside the two lungs, carbon dioxide is exchanged with oxygen. Number 4, at the same time, the left atrium receives blood rich in oxygen from lungs by pulmonary vein. Then blood flows into the left ventricle through the valve. Number 5, at the same time, the left ventricle contracts and pumps the blood rich in oxygen to all the body cells through aorta. And finally, how to keep the circulatory system healthy. Number 1, keep physical exercising to strengthen the heart muscle and activate blood circulation. Number 2, eat balanced, healthy food low in fats and salts. Number 3, eat vegetables and fruits. Number 4, drink enough amount of clean water daily, especially in summer. Number 5, avoid exposure to infections, accidents, and bleeding. Number 6, avoid smoking and smokers. Thank you.